Guys can be very difficult to read, particularly if you try to gauge where you are standing with them. It's plain sometimes. Often, because of machismo, the man in question can't truly spit out his true emotions. You're not supposed to think of a future together in a friends with benefits relationship. You're only supposed to think about sex and fun. No dating or catching feelings, it is purely casual. Well, even though we all say this and try to follow these rules, most of us end up breaking them. Are you interested to find out where you're standing, but you don't want to ask him for fear of frightening him? Look for these signs that your friend with benefits is or is starting to fall for you. Number 1. When he sees you flirting with other guys, you find him grumpy or jealous. Sometimes, those pangs of jealousy is an obvious sign. Often, this is a hint that he wants to make you his girlfriend. If they don't have any interest in a female, guys don't get all territorial. Try to flirt with a gay guy in front of him to see if they care. Number 2. Longer eye contact. It's a big indicator when guys do this. In fact, body language experts can tell how deeply a couple is in love by how much they maintain eye contact. Number 3. He often tries to contact you, for the dumbest reasons, mostly. A guy who's really into you is going to come up with 1,000,001 excuses why he's going to have to talk to you all the time. Guys who don't get feelings either hit you when they want sex, or don't hit you at all. Number 4. He gives you gifts, offers you rides, and does lovely things. Usually, men can't be bothered to do this for girls they don't have feelings for. If he does this thing and it's not with a friendly vibe, then you know what it means. He makes effort to buy you flowers or even ask you out for a dinner, then it's something. Number 5. In front of you, he's done something idiotic. When it comes to the ways they try to impress girls, guys who capture feelings tend to be insanely stupid. A classic move, guys tease and make fun of girls that they are actually interested in. This counterintuitive strategy hasn't changed much since the playground days, and that's because it works. When a girl is being teased in a gentle way, she knows he is trying to impress. Number 6. If other girls are around him, he avoids talking about them or pushes them away in your presence. When you see that he doesn't talk to any girl around you, or avoids them in your presence, then that is a sign of he into you. Number 7. Change in the way he talks to you. Yes, guys do have a change in their voice when they are talking to the girl they like. It is called a girlfriend's voice, and this is backed by science. They tend to talk in a high-pitched tone when they are around the girl they have feelings for. Number 8. He giggles and blushes around you. You know how girls get all shy and withdrawn when they're around a guy they like but feel he's too intimidating to talk to. When guys start turning beet red, stammering, and giggling, that's the male version of that behavior. If he's doing this, he's putty in your paws. Number 9. The dates are slowly different. Before, it was just Netflix and chill and ordering food at home. But now, the dates are intimate, and they are slowly escalating. Now it is no more a booty call. Instead, it is a full-fledged date. Guys do like it when they are into you, and they just want you to feel special. Number 10. He tells you about his fears and insecurities. If you find him to gushing and blushing, or he lets you know about his insecurities, then it is more than friendship. He may press for some commitment from you, then he is into you. He also talks about he feels about his previous relationship, and you can either listen to him or refuse to talk about them entirely. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.